subscribing to my channel and liking this video, and the subscribe button is below. Today's recipe combines most of my favorite flavors, chocolate, coconut, and almond, all together in a delicious cake that is both paleo, gluten-free, and dairy-free. Join me as we make this cake together. All right, let's get started. I'm going to start with 2/3 of a cup of coconut oil. And I melt my coconut oil because it's easier for me to measure out. And I'm going to put in there 1 cup of coconut sugar and 1 cup of maple syrup. And get those mixing together. And while that's mixing, I'm going to add 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin so that can get mixed in there and not get lumpy. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 4 eggs. And to that mixture, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'll just get those mixed in there and start that. 1/4 cup of coconut flour. And I'm using 2 cups of almond flour in there, but use a fine ground almond flour because some of it can be kind of coarse, but you want it to be pretty fine. So that I'm using the Blue Diamond brand. Just get that in there. 1/2 cup of Dutch processed cocoa is the best. You can use regular cocoa, but Dutch processed has the richest flavor. And 2 cups of coconut, and I'm using unsweetened coconut, so you're not adding added sugar in there. And then just mix that till it comes together, and we'll pour it in a greased 9x13 pan. I greased my pan with coconut oil, so you can grease it with whatever you want. Get it spread out in a 9x13 pan, and then we're going to bake it in an oven of 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. When you put a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean, it is finished. Beautiful, delicious chocolate coconut almond cake. Thank you for joining me today. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And if you have any suggestions for other recipes that you would like to be made gluten-free, you can contact me at everydayGlutenFree@gmail.com, or you can leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.